Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play Store free up space to install problem. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and usually if the free up space to install problem appear on your Android phone, it indicates that your phone is out of storage and there is no storage anymore to install new application from the Play Store. So to fix it, you need to free up your memory or your storage on your Android mobile phone. To free up the space or free up the storage, you can clear the app cache in your Android mobile phone. So first thing first, you need to go to the settings and you are going to go to the app setting. This one guys, go to the app setting or app manager. Okay, and you can clear the cache or the app cache one by one. So I'll start with the application which has big cache, such as CapCut. I'm going to go to my CapCut and then we can go to the storage and we can click on clear cache. Clearing the app data will also help, but it will erase your data in the application. But if you don't mind, you can clear it. I'm going to clear the data of my CapCut application. Okay, and then I'm going to move to another application which has big cache, like Facebook. I'm going to go to my Facebook and then click on storage and click on clear cache, and I'm going to clear the data as well. Okay, then you can clear the app cache one by one until your storage is free, just like so. Alright. Alright guys, and that's all the way to fix the Google Play Store free up space to install problem. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.